Friends, do you get confused while understanding various types of pointers in C, like null pointer or void pointer or a structure pointer or a file pointer or a dangling pointer, a constant pointer? So if you are one of them, then leave your all worries to me, your friend at codemitra.com. In this way, I have taught thousands of students spread across the world, almost from 120 countries. So you will be also benefited, I am quite sure. So register yourself. It is a free webinar and attend that at the time and date mentioned in at the bottom of this video. Thank you very much. So don't forget